Janitor AI is a character-based artificial intelligence chatbot platform that has gained popularity for its interactive conversational capabilities. However, like all online services, it depends entirely on stable internet connections to function properly. Users in 2025 commonly encounter several types of connectivity issues when trying to access Janitor AI. These problems can significantly impact the user experience and prevent access to the platform entirely. One potential solution that users consider is using proxy servers. A proxy server acts as an intermediary between your device and the internet, essentially serving as a middleman that can mask your IP address and potentially help circumvent regional restrictions. However, using proxy servers with Janitor AI requires careful consideration of several important factors. These include the platform's terms of service, security implications, and potential risks to your personal data and account safety. Understanding these network connectivity concepts and the role of proxy servers is essential before considering any solutions. The next section will explore safe and compliant approaches to addressing Janitor AI connectivity issues while maintaining security and following platform guidelines. When experiencing network issues with Janitor AI, the first step is always to check official sources before trying any workarounds. Always start by checking the official Janitor AI status pages and announcements. Many connectivity issues are temporary and related to server maintenance or high traffic periods. If regional restrictions are causing access issues, reputable VPN services can provide a legitimate solution. Choose VPN providers with strong privacy policies and good security practices. Regular browser maintenance is crucial for optimal performance. Keep your browser updated, clear cache and cookies regularly, and ensure compatibility with the platform. Timing your access can make a significant difference. Try accessing Janitor AI during off-peak hours when server load is lower, typically early morning or late evening in your region. Most importantly, always prioritize security and compliance. Use only trusted VPN providers, never compromise your personal information, and always respect the platform's terms of service.